Okay, I'd like to make this is a road legal vehicle.
I don't want to have to go to first.
Slight mechanical doing. Lovely and warm today. Just up on the bell, getting some cine shots of the car. We've got Dylan out. There's class as well, like some like spin out wheel shot. Filming's going well. It's been a really nice day today so far.
Hello. What are we going to do?
I'm just going to stand sideways and hold it like that.
In the middle of the road?
Yeah, in the middle of the road.
No, that's not happening.
You have your belt
Right,
this
what happened was, in the same position, it's on it, there's no person there, it's a tripod. Really? You don't want to Right, this is actually... Currently changing the exhaust in the Gateshead car park.
We've got a bird that's currently cooking ourselves in the Cupra, and we've got an exhaust. Someone get his straight piped over there.
Yeah.
There you go.
His reg is... I'm joking.
It has no reg.
It's literally got no reg.
Sorry, officer, it fell off.
Yeah, it's a female, she'll get away with it. So we're currently on the way to get an MOT.
We've got 15 kilometres an hour.
15 kilometres an hour! We currently have an absolute ridiculous traffic jam behind us.
Oh yes! So tell Adam we're going to pull in and let everyone through.
Adam, we're going to pull in and let everybody through because it's been 6 minutes.
Right, he was properly pissed.
What did...
Look at this. It's just waving everyone out the window.
Oh my god!
I don't want to pull out because I'll cause more. We need to get these cans of Fanta out to get some weight out.
But I've drank mine, it's in my belly.
Oh, we've got another one there.
Oh,
We've
right.
got a spare.
Oh yeah.
We're getting there. I'm gonna have to go straight up.
The traffic jam behind us is unreal. Challenger approaches.
I've got right of way.
Yeah, wait there. Wait there. Should have got through in that time. Oh, that's not too bad. Thank you, mate.
First gear hill this. Oh, what a gear change!
I know you're getting better at this. You'd think you'd raced or something.
Oh, this is dying here. It's dying.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Okay, I'd like to make this is a road legal vehicle. We're not breaking any laws by driving this on the road.
Right, second gear is not the way.
Oh, the light's gone red.
Oh, we're picking up some speed.
Right, you're about to merge onto a dual carriageway, which is completely legal.
Fourth gear.
Oh!
Oh, we've got a bit of a traffic jam, like. I don't want to have to go to first. I think this is our top speed on flat. 22, 23.
Are you full?
Third gear flat.
Full flat, yeah.
That's kilometres for the camera. Speak more, we've done a couple of miles here, like. I don't really want to... Yeah, I'm staying in this lane, I need to...
Yeah, it's parked up there.
Whoa, what you doing up?
Breaking the damn law.
One second. Just needed it for the lights. Check the lights will work. Slight mechanical, Dylan.
Just a little bit. We're just cleaning up the car, so we don't want any reason for it to fail. The reg just fell off on me, by the way.
No, it doesn't matter. That's fine.
So we don't want any reason for the car to fail. So we're just making it nice for the MOT testers. You know, we don't want them getting oil. I mean, debris on their hands.
Yeah, obviously the MOT station's round that corner over there somewhere.
We're currently driving all the way back. It took an hour to get here, so it's probably going to take an hour to get home too.
But it passed.
But it passed.
Oh yes.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me, baby.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. This is the future.
Electric.
This probably gets better miles per gallon than that.
Yeah. It's not the. I don't know if you can notice, but it's not the best ride.
It's not too bad.
Back
I mean, if you keep watching us here.
Jesus Christ. Stop it.
There's an accident.
Our car's nicer than yours. You're
It's just starting to die again.
We're home now.
Stop this frame.
It's getting smaller, you should put some batteries on charge now.
That'll make a good shot.
Sick. I don't know if I filmed you, but you know.
Get there.
So we've got the ply on. Currently aiming to get some plastic on in the morning, or in the
Yeah,
afternoon when it's dry.
We'll get this plastic, we've stuck it on top just for tonight, keep the water and the rain off it. Try and get that on permanently tomorrow.
Yeah.
Maybe some end plates, end boards, and basically get it ready for the gutter.
Yeah. By the way, this is a shed for the ape.
Yes, this is a shed for the tuktuk.
So if you imagine Matthew's the ape, it'll fit perfectly.
Adam, do you mind giving me a hand with this? Both of them look right. Witness Dylan's death.
Luckily, we had the Iconic92 health and safety team who reviewed our work.
Adam's done our risk assessment and said that we shouldn't be up here. But
Yeah, he works for. Pellets.
how much half a tube?
So it seems to be 2 tubes per sheet.
2. Oh well, I'll go and get some more. Do you reckon we've got enough to do the next sheet?
Adam, throw a tube up if you don't mind. There's our health and safety team. He's helping out as a labourer today. Hello.
Camera after filmed.